What is truancy and why it's so important? Truancy is the concept that how many school days you are regularly attending. So, if a child is from the age group or class 6 to 12th, the child is supposed to be in school on a regular basis, or if the child is on leave, this is called as an excused absence, and this excused absence has to be registered prior with the school. If it is a unexcused absence, it counts towards truancy. That means maximum 7 days in a row. If it is a excuse which has been not reported to the school, or maximum 10 days in a year. Now, if it goes beyond that, the student would not be allowed to enter into workforce. The student would not be allowed to take the courses directly into the college, and they would have to work for an extra semester to actually cover that up. Now, what does excused absence means? If the child suffers from any illness, if there is a medical emergency, if there is appointment with a doctor, if there is a family emergency, if there is a religious holiday that one has to practice, or there is an absence from the school because of some educational purpose or some exam that a child is about to give. Besides that, anything which does not count towards these points would be considered as an unexcused absence, and an unexcused absence for a prolonged period of time can result into breaking the rules for entering into the workforce and even college. Now, why don't we consider truancy as an important criteria in a country, in a developing country like India? One of the major things we need to understand is, if the child has a discipline from the very early years of the life, that discipline is imbibed deep into the roots, and even when the child joins the workforce as an employee, that discipline moves. So it ensures that the commitments are made to their maximum extent, and this would also ensure a well functioning economy in the later period. So these kind of concepts actually put a big question mark on the concept of dummy schooling and the dummy education culture, which has cropped up recently into the country, and this is growing more rapidly. Previously, it was mainly the college students who used to do mass bunks, but this trend is now shifting even to schools. And if this continues, we need to understand that the truancy, once it breaks, then there is a definite problem not only during the school period, but as the child grows into an adult and is looking for job opportunities and is at workforce. So that's something that we need to take it into very, very seriously.